Welcome, Power Learners! Today we're going to be doing an experiment between an acid and a base. It's going to be different from what we usually do, however. So before we jump in, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Power Learn, and let's get started. For this experiment, we're going to be experimenting between lemon and baking soda. Lemon is a very classic and well-known acid, and baking soda is a very classic and well-known base. We usually do an experiment between the acid vinegar and the base baking soda, but today we're going to be switching that that acid of vinegar with lemon. So for the experiment, you need a glass cup, and in the glass cup, put in 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of laundry detergent, and put that in a larger tray so that you don't spill anything. And you need lemon juice. So just squeeze a lot of lemon into another glass jar, and then that's all set. So all you need to do for the experiment is just to pour the lemon into your laundry detergent and your baking soda mix, and you'll see that it immediately foams up. So it's very similar to what happens when we put baking soda with vinegar. So you can see that the main difference is the acid and the base. That's really what the chemistry is. So in a close-up view, you can see how much it foamed. Because of this reaction. So now let's talk about how this happens. So first let's start off by talking about pH. pH stands for potential of hydrogen. I don't want to get too into it, but it's basically a measure of certain compounds in a substance. So lemon juice, you can see on this chart, has a pH of 2, and baking soda has a pH of 9. So lemon juice is towards the acidic part of the pH scale, and baking soda is more towards the basic side of the pH scale. So that's why we use both those things, because they have different pH. They have a different pH. So if you also see vinegar has the same pH as lemon juice, so that's why it's both of them are like interchangeable with our experiments. So the story of what happens with vinegar and baking soda is basically the same for lemon and baking soda. They just both combine to create carbon dioxide in a chemical reaction. And the role of the laundry detergent is to turn those bubbles into foam. So that's just to help see this chemical reaction in place, but it's not really a component of the chemical reaction. So that concludes today's experiment. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Power Learn, and I'll see you next time.